Frustrated with the d3dx9-40.dll pop-up blocking DirectX Legacy d3dx9? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. For professional-grade d3dx940 maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the d3dx940, a version-locked DirectX 9.0 helper, v40. It manages unmanaged routines for 3D rendering, shader compilation, and mesh optimization for software released in the late 2000s to ensure visual manifest integrity. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The d3dx9-40.dll library is a critical dependency of the DirectX Legacy d3dx9 framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including d3dx940, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Please use caution. Replacing d3dx940.dll manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on d3dx940. If you've regained access to d3dx940 thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.